Making homemade fried chicken strips. Adding 2 cups buttermilk in a bowl and 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt. And mix that all up. And this will make up the marinade for the chicken. For this recipe, using 2 pounds of chicken breast, poking holes with a fork to help with the marinating and tenderizing, slicing up the chicken to turn into chicken strip sizes, now time to add the chicken to the marinade. And let that marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And now making a seasoned flour mixture for the breading, adding 3 cups flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix that up. Mix up that marinade slightly if you've had it marinating for a while. And then coat in the seasoned flour mixture. And then give it a double dip into the marinade and then back into the flour mixture. And then set aside for frying. Heat up cooking oil to 350 degrees and fry for a total of 4 to 6 minutes. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip those strips over. They're done when they're golden brown and at least 165 degrees in the middle.